Not every winter illness is just a viral cold. If your cough keeps coming back, it's time to stop ignoring it. Persistent cough, breathlessness, or chest discomfort can point to conditions beyond a simple viral infection. Cold air, pollution, and indoor triggers often worsen hidden lung problems during winter. When symptoms last for weeks, breathing feels harder, or the cough worsens at night, medical evaluation matters more than self-medication. Early diagnosis helps prevent complications and protects your lung health. Don't guess, get checked.